How to update the Black Ice TIFF Viewer to the latest version. The Black Ice TIFF Viewer has an update capability to simplify updating the application to the latest version. When updating the TIFF Viewer, all your configuration and licensing information will be preserved, so you don't have to reconfigure the TIFF Viewer again. To check which version of the TIFF Viewer is installed, please navigate to the Application menu and click on the About option in the TIFF Viewer. To start updating the TIFF Viewer, double-click on the latest TIFF Viewer installer. If you don't have the latest TIFF Viewer installer, contact sales@blackice.com, or download it from the Downloads menu of www.blackice.com. To update, your TIFF Viewer has to be activated with a valid license number, and the license number must have an active subscription or valid maintenance. If you receive an error message when trying to update, or the update option is grayed out, contact the sales@blackice.com email address with your license number. On the Install Shield wizard window, please make sure that the upgrade option is selected. If you don't have the TIFF Viewer browser extension installed on your computer, you can install it now by checking the Install the TIFF Viewer extension for Microsoft Edge in Google Chrome option. Click Next to continue. When the update has finished, click on the Finish button to close the installer. On the About window, you can check the version number to make sure the update was successful. That's how you upgrade your Black Ice TIFF Viewer to the latest version. Thank you for watching the video. You can also find more useful videos on www.blackice.com.